the stimulus checks that are going out. I think they're termed the recovery rebates, or AKA helicopter money. Tell us about what those are and how they work.
You're going to receive if you're married is $2,400 for married couples, $1,200 for individuals, and then an additional $500 per child under the age of 17. There are some income restrictions, though, that are being applied here. If you make more than $150,000, the phase out begins for married filed joint, half of that for single filers. If you are expected to receive a rebate, again, that's based off your adjusted gross income. So take a look at your 2018 versus your 2019 adjusted gross income, as that will drive how much you get from these stimulus checks. As we take a look at the calculations, if you have 3 children, married, filed, joint, you can still receive a rebate up to $225,000 adjusted gross income. So definitely opportunities for income earners to receive some additional dollars there. These are credits, so they're not taxable, and you don't have to pay them back.
So Neil, we're sitting here on April 14th, one day before tax day. When will people start receiving these checks?
The checks have already started to roll out. So if you are set up for direct deposit, you may have already seen that. Otherwise, that can take up to 2 months to receive those credits. That is an important point, though, depending on how you are receiving your tax refund or even your Social Security checks from the IRS. That's how you will receive your credit. So if you are receiving paper rebates or paper checks, that's going to take a little bit longer depending on the mail system.
If I haven't filed my 2019 taxes yet, should I wait to file before getting my stimulus check?
Lower is better. So when we look at the calculation between 2018 versus 2019, then you want to focus on whatever your lower income is. So if you have not filed and your income was lower in 2018, then you may want to delay.
When does it make sense to extend your tax filing, and when does it not?
Well, I think if you are due a rebate or refund from the IRS, then file as soon as possible and make sure you get that money in your pocket. If you do owe taxes, or typically do owe taxes, then it could be advantageous to delay and make sure that you keep that money in your pocket until the summertime.